Hola, I hope you all are fine and happy and you all have revised your videos. Okay, today we will study chapter 1 of computer. Today we will study the difference between computer and man. What we will study today? Difference between computer and man. Let's see the first difference. Who is this? Computer. Who is this? This is a man. Now, a computer works very fast. A man is not fast as a computer. It means computers work is very fast. I'll explain you with a example. If we want to add certain numbers, for example, 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 7 plus 10 plus 20 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7 plus 15 plus 19. Then for doing this calculation, we will take time or not? But computer will do this calculation within seconds and will give us the answer 101. So this proves that computer work is very fast and we take some time to do this. Next difference, children. A computer has good memory. It always remember. A man may forget the information stored in his mind. I'll explain you with this example. I ask you to tell me or recite a poem which you have learned in your last class. It means in first class. You will say, ma'am, I can recite, I can tell you, but I have to first revise. And same, if I ask the computer to recite me a poem, to tell me a poem, then computer will give me the answer within seconds. But we have to give the instructions to the computer with the help of keyboard that which poem I want to listen from him. Yes or no? So, oh, it means that computer has a good memory. It never forgets. ये कभी नहीं भूलता. And we forget some things. Next difference, children. How is this picture looking? Funny na? Interesting. Very good. Whose picture is this? It is computer. And this is man. A computer does not make any mistake. A man can make mistakes. A computer does not make any mistake. A man can make mistakes. It means that computer kabhi galti nahi karta. We often do, yeah, we sometimes do mistakes. For example, I want to know the answer of 2 plus 3. So computer will give the answer within seconds that 2 plus 3 is 5. And same thing, 2 plus 3 is 5. We also know, but in writing or in speaking, sometimes instead of 5, we can speak 4 or 2 or 6 also. But computer can never do like that. It always gives the correct answer. It never makes mistakes. Now, children, let's see next difference. A computer cannot take its own decisions. A man can take his own decisions. Now, children, first tell me what is the meaning of decision? Faisle. What is the meaning? Faisla lena. Computer. If I have given the computer the instructions to draw a picture, computer will only draw the picture. It cannot do anything else. But you want to study instead of playing? So you can take the decision now. You can take the decision, you want to study or you want to play. So it's our own wish, because we have mind, we can think, we can take our decisions. Next difference, children. A computer works on man's orders. A computer works on man's orders. A man does not need any order to work. A man does not need any order to work. It means computer do the work only which we have given him. It means the instructions which we have given him to do. If we want to type, and typing instruction only we have given, the computer will type only. It cannot do anything. But we do not need any order to work. If we want to play, if we want to run, if we want to sleep, we can do by our own wish. It's our wish what we want to do. Understood, children? Now let's see the next difference. A computer does not have any feelings. A man has feelings. It means computer can neither cry nor laugh. He has no emotions. It is a non-living thing. Whereas we have emotions. We can laugh. We can cry. We can sleep. We have emotions. We are living things. We have brain. So it means a computer does not have any feelings. A man has feelings. Man has feelings. He can cry, sleep. Now, children, we have learned the difference between computer and man. Yes or no? Revise now. Study now. Now I request children to revise this once again very thoroughly. Very thoroughly. Thank you.